Imagine a world where the sun never sets on the most powerful computers in the universe, because they're in space. Elon Musk wants 1 million data center satellites orbiting the Earth, while Jeff Bezos is aiming for 51,600. But why? The answer lies in the seductive promise of limitless power for artificial intelligence. AI needs more energy than our grids can supply, so the tech giants are taking it to the final frontier. Space, where the sun always shines and electricity is free. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and a growing constellation of startups are now racing to make this vision a reality. But scientists are sounding the alarm, warning that we need to understand the implications before we launch into the unknown. What could happen if we put 1 million AI-powered satellites in orbit? The possibilities are endless, and so are the risks. As we delve into the world of space-based AI, we'll explore the potential consequences for humanity. From job displacement to existential threats, the stakes are higher than ever. But first, let's examine the driving force behind this trend, the insatiable hunger for power. AI models like deep learning require massive amounts of energy to process vast amounts of data. Our current grids are struggling to keep up, leading to a new era of space-based computing. But what about the environmental impact? Don't satellites in orbit contribute to the already overwhelming problem of space junk? The tech giants claim their satellites will be designed to burn up in the atmosphere, leaving no debris behind. However, experts are skeptical, warning that even a small malfunction could have catastrophic consequences. And then there's the issue of cybersecurity. With 1 million satellites in orbit, the potential for hacking and data breaches increases exponentially. As we weigh the pros and cons, it's essential to consider the historical context. The space race of the 1960s was driven by a desire to explore and push the boundaries of human knowledge. Today, the primary motivation is profit. The AI-powered satellite industry is projected to reach billions of dollars in the coming years, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the charge. But at what cost? The scientific community is urging caution, warning that we need to understand the long-term effects of this technology before it's too late. So, what can we expect in the near future? Will we see a proliferation of space-based AI, or will regulatory bodies step in to slow down the process? One thing is certain, the world is changing fast, and the implications of AI in space will be felt for generations to come. And that's only part of it. The real question is, what happens when AI becomes smarter than us? Do we risk losing control of our creations, or can we harness their power to create a better future? The answer, much like the satellites themselves, remains in orbit, waiting to be discovered. As we conclude our journey into the world of space-based AI, we're left with more questions than answers. But one thing is clear, the future of humanity is inextricably linked to the future of artificial intelligence. And the future of AI is in space. The clock is ticking, and the world is watching. What will happen next? Only time will tell.